Hi guys, today I want to show you guys how to install PowerMTA with IP rotation. Further, we need to go to PMTAcore.com to download PowerMTA Manager software. We can able to download the software. You can see Alien Virus tutorial is completely safe to download. Need to click on download. And if you don't know how to use this software, you can head to documentation and we can really check how to use this software. Everything's documented here. So okay, once downloaded, you need to extract this and install it on your PC. Once installation is done, you can if you are new user, you can sign up from here, or also if you have your user and password, you can sign in from here also. And I'll just use my license key because I have already having a license key. Okay, once I enter my license key, I am enter into dashboard. Here we can able to create add API token for Linode and create instances. But for now, I'll customly add my server, which will be having multiple IPs to create IP rotation. I'm gonna pause for a second so I can able to enter password. Okay. Once you add every details, you need to click on validate and add. So connection successfully added. Once it's added, you can able to install PowerMTA. You can able to install it on single domain, which is your main IP. And if your instance of multiple IPs, like mine have 11 IPs configured in this particular server, so I'm going to choose IP rotation and I'm going to configure domains here. You can add up to 100 domains. There is no limit. Whatever IPs you have, you can add. You can choose PowerMTA version. For PowerMTA version 6, it's only available in lifetime license. So I'm going to choose 5.0r3 and I'm going to set up username and password. For now, I'll set dummy. Okay. Okay. Do this. Okay. Once I click on start installing, it will take some 5 to 10 minutes and it will install everything. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes maximum. Okay, as we can see, it's installed and it's configuring uh, domain key for every domains. Okay, once installation is completed, you can able to see configurations which you can able to enter these values in your DNS like Cloudflare or Namecheap, whatever you got, and you can able to configure your PMTA server. Here you can able to see PMTA dashboard. Once installation is completed, you can able to see this dashboard. Also, you can able to check if it's working by going to SMTP tester. I'm going to use same. Yeah, it worked. Here you can able to see. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you need this software, you can head to PMTAcore.com and you can get a free trial, or you can try this software, or you can buy this. So if you have any questions, you can raise a ticket from here, so we'll answer the questions. Thank you.